$80 a day is what Bonnie's paying for it.
No, Chris is paying.
Or you know what I mean. Yeah, we'll budget that into the next trip. Got a wheelchair. We want to do a big thunder. Two.
Are we comfortable parking here? Yeah. Just leave it right there. Take the key, and then head up this path on the left.
Can we leave our bags with it?
Sure.
Okay.
That's fine.
I was like, you guys aren't gonna.
Yeah, it's like they'll be standing here. So.
The whole time.
Yeah.
It's like, this is my first time on an actual roller coaster. I've never.
The only roller coaster she's ever ridden is her first trip here. I tricked her into going on Space Mountain.
Yeah.
Because it was the one ride you can't see it from the outside, so you can't chicken out.
I was like, I can't live my life being afraid of everything, so I just need to get on it
How
and do
was
it.
mixed? Did you like it?
No.
Well,
okay.
it was a mix. She had fun, but she was also very upset.
Oh, sure.
She peeked on my shoes when we got off, so it was fair game.
I liked it until I threw up. I guess I got too into it.
Now you know what to expect.
And I was like, it's not gonna be that bad.
So this is your first time on Thunder?
Yeah.
Yeah, this is the best. It's
Yesterday we did all of the Fantasyland rides because there was a few she hadn't done. And we ended up doing marching band and the quartet stuff. We got distracted, so we didn't end up riding a bunch of rides. So.
Like, my other thing is like, okay, so like, I'm here, sobbing. I'm gonna have to come. Yay! I can get some space.
This is what, your 5th trip, and you're finally getting on a roller coaster voluntarily?
Yeah.
Let's step under the roller.
Maybe shorts. You might like it too when you're not. Yeah, you're right. Okay, she's high five. First high five. Yeah. I'm like, he's like, yeah, high five.
It's okay, I got really close around that.
Yeah,
The Wilhelm scream.
Cat jumped in like this, and he said I got really close.
Yeah.
I screamed earlier today. Grasshopper jumped on me and I didn't.
It's funny. Her first trip on Pirates, she wasn't ready for the drop.
Oh yeah,
And
it catches you off guard.
and she screamed like R2-D2.
Well, you don't know how.
I got it on camera. She screamed like R2-D2. Yeah, exactly. Like it was great.
That's awesome. Cool.
Yeah, we're gonna.
So we go up to the left or up to the okay.
All the way down.
All right. Thank you. To the left, to the left, to the right, to the left. Chugga chugga choo choo. Huh? Huh? It's too late. You're committed now. Reach for the sky.
After Space Mountain, I don't think the drop.
Oh no, this is tame. This doesn't go as fast.
Brenda said this under is different, but I'm like, I don't think it is.
It is different, but
Like, I don't think it's actually.
32 minutes left. I don't think I have 32 minutes of battery left. Oh, this one. Yes. All right. How you doing? That's cool. They call them cast miners on this one. Cast miners. I haven't ridden this in a while. Hold your hat. I would suggest holding your hat. This is bolted to my head. It's not going in.
You want to hold on to it? And I'm probably going to want to, like, I don't know.
I say sit on it.
Then don't forget.
Shove it in your bra.
What?
Shove it in your bra. Stuff it in your bra.
I can't check it out. I mean, I can, but I'm not going to.
You chicken out, the ghosts follow you home. It's a ghost train. Did you notice the lack of conductor?
Go ahead, take the back row.
That one?
Okay. I'm gonna kill you.
It's alright. I'll die happy.
Well, at least if I die, I'll be dying at the happiest place on earth.
You'll be fine. Also, a lot of them have these where you can put ears and stuff. It's in my cargo pocket. Look, it's smothered into my cargo pocket. It's
Is it
fine.
gonna fall out?
I can take it out and put it in the thingy.
Hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the train, and be sure to watch your kids.
Sorry if it scratches you. It's got Velcro on it.
I hate you, but it's okay.
Cause this here's the wildest ride in the wilderness.
Workshop, pick another trees. Okay, that's fair.
Liar.
I always feel like the bigger one is. I feel like you go faster coming out of the TNT episode. Yeah, but.
Sorry for screaming in your ear, by the way.
This is her first time.
This is my first time on a real roller coaster, so it was fun. See? Scary, but fun.
Baby.
Shut up.
I love you.
Like, this is the worst drop.
Splash Mountains is bigger, but there's just the one real big one.
I'm not doing that one today.
I don't blame you. You don't have to.
But you know what?
You can tell Brenda you went on a roller coaster.
Big chicken got on it. You know what? Wasn't that bad? Yeah, you can't say that anymore?
I'm not. I'm proud of you. I know, mine does too.
Yeah, but like, I was like really screaming.
I know. Wanna go on Indy now? It's not that far away.
No.
No, Indy's tame in comparison. Oh,
Sure.
sorry.
You see if I can handle this, I can handle it. Do you think?
Oh, hell yeah.
Maybe in a little bit. My stomach's kind of upset.
That's fine.
My stomach is angry.
That's fine. You wanna head out to Star Wars?
How was it?
It was fun. I'm probably.
You want to try it again? It's fun in the daytime and at nighttime. Different kind of sceneries in the year. It'll be lots of fun. Are you going to go down?
Yeah, I think we're headed out to Galaxy's Edge.
Have fun.
You want to try the Falcon? That's not so bumpy
No.
as long as you have a good pilot.
That's too immersive. Too real. Like, I have an overactive imagination, so it's too real.
You wanna go on Rise? I don't know if it's worth all the wait time.
No, I'm not going on Rise again.
We can go do Pooh. It's not that far.
Oh wait, they left it so I can get in on this side.
Oh, yeah, they did.
Oh god.
Let's have a drink of water before we go anywhere. Though.
That was me. That was me. All the way.
I'm letting you know. You run over.
In the sky. Anyway. Come on, babe. That was funny. You didn't hear it, did you? Ooh, hot, hot, hot. Oh yeah, let's do pirates.
We'll probably be standing in line for a bit with pirates. I mean, we can do pirates now if you want.
What's the wait time?
Hey, look,
Let's go get on Pooh. I need a camera ride first.
that's fine.
I'm sorry.
Let's get the backpack down on you first.
Yeah.
All right, follow me.
I got this thing. Oh, I got this thing. So
Huh?
and guess what? We have video.
Yeah, we do. I gotta switch batteries before we get on Pooh.